We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting names in English. This is a girl's name of English origin, meaning blind. This is a Victorian name, a variant of Cecilia name. How do you go about pronouncing it? Cicely. You do want to stress on the first syllable. Cicely. Pretty straightforward once you know. A beautiful name. Cicely. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for this. Much appreciated. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.